my God.
Got an SR running.
Welcome back to another video. Never Settle Garage. We're back with the R9. We're gonna do something that I haven't seen anybody do yet, and that's like a video on the whole making your phone connect to it and see what it can do. I haven't seen anyone do it yet. I'm kind of curious on what all I can do. So we got the manual. Read this, or don't read it. I don't know. I didn't really read it. I'm gonna use it for this because I don't know what I'm doing, but use this. So we're gonna go along and we're gonna try to figure this out together because I don't know what I'm doing. I figured out how to do it on the Ninja and it worked, but it didn't really do anything. I couldn't really do any extra stuff. It was just kind of there. So, and Steven's grilling some more hot dogs. So on here it says to go to page to section 5. We got to read these instructions here, guys. I don't know. All right, so what we got to do? Yep, okay. We're learning. We got to download an app. Yamaha Motorcycle Connect. All right, so I guess that's the first step. Let me download the app and then I'll show you. All right, boys and girls, we're back. So I got the app. It's right here. I know y'all can see that. I hasn't found my vehicle, but when you open the app, it asks for your birthday and it asks like all the security questions because they're trying to sell your data and all that stuff. But now I got power the bike on. Look at the dash on this looks so good. So we power the bike on, and then we hit search again. Hopefully it finds it. Let's see what happens. Apparently you can do some cool stuff on here, so we're gonna see. Is it worth it? There it is right there. And it's gonna ask to access all your stuff. And it's got a pair. Steven, how are the dogs going? You want to throw the other two on there for me? I didn't even tell you I was hungry. My bad. All right, we're gonna let that do. They gotta let that do its thing. Look at his hot dogs. I'm surprised you didn't use the other grill like you always say you like.
Yeah, with the other grill, those slits make it to where it like basically bursts the hot dog into however many slits that it's touching. I didn't like that.
That's why I cook them on this. Flat top. All right, let me know what you guys think. Regular grill with the the grate or flat top grill. What do you think is better? I like flat top for like regular cooking. If I'm gonna use a actual grill like that, it's like at a park or something. But I'd rather use the flat top. Steven, so far it's easy. Hopefully I don't kill my battery on the bike. It shouldn't kill it. It shouldn't take too long. Pairing failed. Okay, search again. Why you know connect? I had to say it was easy. See that? I had to say something. Do I gotta hit like OK on the dash? There it is. All right, boys and girls. Make sure your bike is in pairing mode. Apparently that's a thing. But now it's connecting. Look at that. We're done. But there we go. So phone is connected. Oh, gotta use this. Damn, look at that. Can I change? Total mileage. We gotta change that. $217. Oh, that's sick. Look, you can figure out your fuel mileage. No location data saved, notifications. Oh, and it tracks everything. Riding log. Time tracks. All right, cool. So go out of all that. And we should be able to pull up navigation and stuff on here. Battery voltage low. All right, well, I guess I'll turn on the bike for a second. Yeah, we'll turn it on so it doesn't kill the battery. Anyways. So if I go to my navigation on my phone, and I just look up a random thing like Annie's Eats and hit start. Now, I have a navigation on my phone, but if I go here, applications, no. Ah, my phone's gonna fall. Don't fall. Why you no work? What am I doing wrong? Turn by turn, navigation. Will my navigation pop up on my dash? All right, I figured it out. You have to download the Garmin. It's a GPS app. Give me a second. Let me find it. Let me find it. Garmin Street Cross app. And you have to use that GPS. It doesn't work with Google Maps. Sadly, they need to get that fixed so it'll work with Google Maps because I don't like this map. I mean, it works. Don't get me wrong. I have the GPS right. Look, I'll show you. Bam, that's what it looks like. It pops up right there. But I mean, it works. It'll take you where you want to go. I just don't like the map that they have. Like, it's cool that you can do the navigation stuff and, like, I can connect my phone, you know, have my music on here. Like, I think I can do that too. Yeah, music volume, up or down, change. Yeah, I can do all that from there. But yeah, it's cool. Like, it's cool that I can do that. But I don't know how much I'm gonna actually use the map stuff anyway, but yeah, so go connect your phone. It's pretty cool. Steven don't care. Steven's hot. It's like 90 degrees. He doesn't care. He made a hot dog. There's one more if you want it.
I already had 2.
I don't want it. We can throw it in the fridge. Somebody else eat it. But yeah, that's all. That's this video. Honestly, I just wanted to show you guys and walk you guys through as long as I'm walking through it. Figured we might as well do it together on how to connect your phone to your Yamaha R9. Super simple. It's gonna ask you for all your information, you know, email, name, yada yada yada. Connect. Key is to make sure the bike is in pairing mode when you do it. I fought with it for like 10 to 15 minutes, not thinking to put the bike in pairing mode. So here's what I'll show you guys how to do that real quick, just so you know. All right, so turn the bike on. Look at the cool startup screen. Hit your home button. Go over to apps. Hit OK. Go down to connectivity settings, connection, Bluetooth, discovery mode. Second one right there. Make sure you have that when you're searching for your phone, or it won't work, like mine didn't. But anyway, that's gonna be it for this video. It's hot. We're gonna go inside where it's cool. Steven's dying. We might try to get out and go ride a little bit later. If this heat chills out for a minute, that'd be nice. But make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if this video helped you. Let me know if you have any other questions or you guys want to see anything else with the Yamaha R9. But yeah. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned. I'm sure I'll think of something else to do that I didn't know you could do on this bike, because it's full of tech. And Steven hates tech. And I like tech sometimes, but I also like being able to turn it off, which you can do a lot of that on this bike, which is nice. You know, you can turn ABS off, traction off, all that off, wheelie control, well, lift control or whatever it's called. But, yep. All right. See you guys in the next one. Bye.